So I'm gonna just jump right into the video. So today I'm using the premium Bigelow green tea. I'm gonna just boil some water. After the water is done boiling, I put the tea bag in there, let it steep for like an hour, and then pour it into a spray bottle. And that's really it for the tea. It's like literally simple, just like that, ABC. So I'm gonna section my hair off into little sections because I really want to focus the green tea spray all over my scalp and on my hair shafts and my ends because I really want this to stop the shedding. I'm gonna make a whole video about tension damage. It's a lot to go through right now, but just know the video is coming. And if you never heard of tension damage, just make sure that you subscribe and have my post notifications on because y'all, I'm telling you, I am a victim of tension damage. And I'm hoping that this green tea spray is going to like revamp my hair because baby, that's what I need, you know? So today we're going to be doing a deep conditioning mask that I made myself. The ingredients of the mask will be in the description below along with the green tea spray. So first, I am really just working in the green tea spray, really focusing on my scalp and the ends of my hair, but overall, everything on my head, period. So after I'm done going in with that, making sure that everything is saturated, I'm pressing the green tea spray into my hair because I have low porosity hair. If you don't know what that means basically water, oils, product sit on top of my hair instead of soak in. So I have to press them in. If you want me to make a video about low porosity hair and how I do the things that I do with my hair, let me know in the comments below, you know. And then I'm going in with the mask, obviously, that I made and twisting it up. And I'm going to be doing this throughout my whole head. And also just make sure your green tea spray is lukewarm to hot because you really want your cuticles to open and you want the green tea to seep inside the cuticles. So, yeah. Now that I'm done with the whole process, I'm going to use this little head massager thing, scalp massager that I got from Walmart for like $1 literally. And I'm just going through and just massaging my scalp because if you don't know, scalp manipulation do promote hair growth. So I'm just doing that all over my head to make sure that we get all the blood cells flowing. Now I'm taking this almond oil and this green tea little oil that I made up, to be honest. I add different herbs in it. And I'm thinking about selling it for like a, a very affordable price because I see the difference within my hair since I started using this oil. And just green tea as a whole really like revamps your hair and grows your hair in a way that like I've never experienced from another oil. So I don't know. I'm still thinking about that. But yeah, so I'm just using this all around my head and saturating it. And I'm going to use my blow dryer to do basically a hot oil, hot deep conditioning treatment to really open up those pores. And I'm going to be doing this for about 15 minutes. You can see my hair looks totally new, moisturized. I did rinse my hair out with cold water because I wanted to trap that green tea oil and the green tea spray and the deep conditioning mask that I did. I wanted to lock all of the nutrients within my pores and my cuticles, and my hair looks so defined. This is no products. This is freshly just rinsed out everything. And yeah. Hope you guys like the video. If you want more videos like this, like, comment, subscribe. Please press that notification bell. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.